Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Let's talk car batteries. Let's talk Walmart car batteries. But first of all, pop the top on this Nissan Quest. I've got that Optima RedTop battery. That daddy almost cost $300. Guess what? Can't replace it right now. Hey, wait a minute. Why have mice been eating up the firewall underneath the hood of my vehicle? And is this dangerous? Leave a comment. But when you're living in the woods, that can happen, I suppose. Better than some snakes jumping out, right? That RedTop battery is no longer really holding a charge anymore. It doesn't get charged up all the way. If I leave the vehicle sitting, it dies. So we're going to go ahead and take off your negative terminal first. We're going to replace this with a Walmart battery, and we're going to talk about that Walmart battery. Here it is in the back. So this is the EverStart. This is the cheapest line of the cheapest automotive batteries you can find. They used to be $50 only but a few years ago. Now they're almost $70, basically $70 plus tax. This has about 60% of the cranking amps of the Optima RedTop. It has a fresh sticker on it for the date. That's always reassuring. $69.74. That's what I paid for it. Used to get those for about $50 like 4 years ago. Size difference, they're both about in the same size range, but you can see if I wanted to replace this battery and I ordered it on Amazon, I just don't have this kind of money right now. We're talking $279.99 and no core through them, but you can always bring your old battery over to Advance Auto and get a $10 store credit. But this daddy was powerful. It worked well. My little brother had hooked me up with this, and it worked for a long time. But look at those cranking amps. Oh, I'm going to miss that, especially in the cold weather. But this is the EverStart. This is the value battery. You get a 1-year warranty on it. I highly recommend you hold on to your receipt and you use that warranty. Go back in on day 364. Swap it out for another one. Got the ground off. We've got the power on now with the battery installed. We're going to put that ground on there. I wish I had my camera tripod ready so I could show the engine when it starts up, but I don't have the right pieces on it. So we're just going to go inside of the van and we're going to go ahead and crank this daddy up. We're going to listen to it. Got a flash. That means the battery is working. Here we go. Put that key in. Just stick it in. Put a little spit on there if you need to. Yeah, that's a solid start. So day one, we're off to a good start with the Walmart cheapy battery, but I'm going to do follow-up videos and we'll see if it hangs on. What has been your experience with Walmart batteries? Leave a comment. I'm Ryan, Silly Reviews. Thank you for watching.